round of applause. Cheers to my women on these grounds and abroad, who have never been a heartbreaker. Got a good mind about her. Thought I had that, but I was wrong. Let me tell you about her. She was like my angel from way up above. When she cried from the sky, she would shower me with love. Had her over every day, every single day I did. Started getting careless, so next thing you know, we made a kid. She was like, I was like, yes, I hope we have a son. Watch this nigga be the best. And right around June, she took a plane and it was too late. I did the math and found out our due date was
in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
You had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain. In July, there were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident.
Cause she was supposed to be my shawty, my baby. I don't know what's gone wrong, this is crazy. Nah, I place your life in front of mine, because that's where you asked to be. Saying I don't treat you the same, so now you asking me
Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in.
And just as I was hanging up the phone, she told me to hold on, cause she's finally coming home in July.
There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder.
It's getting colder.
The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall. See,
What's up?
it's funny cause I never thought this would end.
See, baby, it's not going in.
But then the season changed.
Can we bring it back though?
You were my girl. Should've made you my wife.
I wanted you to be my world.
Everything to make
So I'ma do
you
everything to
happy.
make sure that